ये तेरी हंसी पर मैं मर ही ना जाऊं, तेरी ही
Hello everyone, welcome back to Fizza's Life with another reaction with you guys. आज की वीडियो जो है बहुत ज़्यादा थ्रिल होने वाली है गाइस,
Yes.
बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज हम लोग जो वीडियो बना रहे हैं दैट इज़ एन एक्सपेरिमेंट जो कि कोई कर रहा है।
बहुत ही अमेजिंग वीडियो है।
एग्जैक्टली गाइस, आप लोगों ने सोचा कि कभी प्लास्टिक की बोट हो और क्या वो सर्वाइव करेगी क्या, अगर आप प्लास्टिक की बोट में बैठे हुए हो और डूब गए फिर दूर जाके डूब गए फिर। सो अभी हम लोग जो देखने लगे हैं उसका जो टाइटल है वो है वी मेक बोट यूजिंग बॉटल्स, विल इट सर्वाइव और नॉट, लेट्स सी।
सो लेट्स सी, देखते हैं कि वो सर्वाइव कर पाती है कि नहीं।
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट हूँ इसमें।
या मैं भी जल्दी से जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दे, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो।
Roughly about 4 years ago, I had conducted an experiment on myself in which I had tied many plastic bottles onto myself, and after that I jumped into the water. And believe me, just those plastic bottles tied to me managed to support the weight of this heavy body of mine, which means I did not sink. So now the question is what will happen if we only use plastic bottles and make a boat out of them? Will it float or will it sink? It will float. Definitely. You let it be, man. Even titanium will sink with your weight on it. You let it be, let it be, let it be. So guys, in today's video, this is what we're trying to find out, that will a boat made out of just plastic bottles will float or will it sink? Or it will not. Please comment below about what you think will happen and we will start.
Fizza, what you think?
I think as it's a plastic, so I think it will survive. लेकिन ये नहीं मुझे पता कि कितना वेट डलेगा तो वो एक अच्छी स्मूथ रहेगी।
Yes.
डिपेंड करता है कि कितना वेट उसके ऊपर जो है
Exactly.
देखना पड़ेगा।
देखते हैं कितने लोग बैठ सकते हैं
Yes.
इसमें।
Yes.
So let's start.
So guys, finally the plastic bottles. We have brought the plastic bottles. So the cost of one bottle is 3 rupees and we have 3000 such bottles with us. Hey, unload them quickly, unload. And guys, to make this boat, we will not be using any iron frame or wooden frame. Instead of that only, that's right, these tapes here, cello tapes, we will be using them to make this entire boat ever. Guys, look at this. These are the caps of all these bottles. And should I tell you an amazing thing about them? There is a trick to them. Take a look. This is a new bottle and if you screw the cap onto it like this, see it gets fixed. But when you try to open it now, then the seal on it, it will break then. Otherwise it won't break. See, look at this. Simple. So let's put the caps on all these bottles and then let's start making the boat, guys. See, these guys are having fun time. Let me increase the workload.
काफी मजे का काम है बट इसमें बहुत ज्यादा
मेहनत लगेगी, बहुत ही ज्यादा।
Guys, let's start making the board, but even now I don't really understand what kind of a design to give it or how to arrange the bottles, but let's start. So the idea is that first of all, let's make a long strip with the bottles. Guys, now let's put the tape on all of this.
गाइस, क्या लगता है कि टेप से इतना स्मूथली हो सकता है क्या खाली टेप के साथ?
आई डोंट थिंक सो, बट अब देखते हैं कि क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हो रहे हैं।
हाँ।
Guys, you can see that we have used these bottles to make a long strip over here. Now let's bring together both these strips like this. And then we will wrap tape all around this as well, just like we have done for this one. Look at it. We will have to make many strips like this. Look at it. Guys, so let's finally start giving this boat some shape.
गॉड, कितनी अच्छी बनाई है
और कितनी मेहनत लगी है. It's like
ज्यादा.
one day they have made this.
Yes.
In one day, guys, इतना मेहनत किया है.
बहुत ज्यादा.
टेप्स लगाई, बॉटल्स के कैप्स को बंद किया, उनको जोड़ा साथ में.
So amazing. अब ये आगे देखते हैं कि कितना वेट वो.
अच्छा, जिसे चलाते हैं बोट को, वो भी क्या प्लास्टिक की बॉटल्स होंगी?
No, I don't think so.
अच्छा.
Look, it's here. I won't show it to you right now. First, let's take it to the lake and then see whether it will float or not. So come on, quickly, let's go. So guys, because we have made it out of plastic bottles, this boat of ours is quite light as well. Alright guys, so now we present to you our very beautiful boat. Look at this, guys. Isn't it really lovely to look at? It should float now. Oh boys, bring it down, bring it down. First pick it from here, guys. So guys, you can see over here the makeshift arrangement we made to fit it, and only then we have managed to transport it. Easy, easy, slowly, slowly, easy, easy, easy. Guys, this is really very light. The total weight of this is even lesser than 10 kgs. Come, 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 come. Guys, this boat of ours, along with being very light, is also quite beautiful. The pink color caps on all the bottles that are there. The caps on bottles, they are enhancing the beauty of our boat. And if we, hey, sit down, everybody sit down wherever you are. Look at this, guys. Look at it from the top, how beautiful it is looking. But the thing is that that beautiful side is going to go under the water. Because these bottle caps that are there, they will form a good grip inside the water, which may help in keeping the boat stable. Come on, guys, let's straighten it now. Hey, straighten it out slowly. So, guys, this is our boat. Look at this. Isn't it lovely? Check it out. We haven't subjected it to any tests yet, but you can see how big this boat is. Guys, we will definitely test the boat, but before that, let's test the Titanic. Let's make him a portal man. How exactly I was made earlier. Guys, comment below immediately whether this Titanic will sink or swim. Guys, he's looking like an astronaut. See, because of this behind him here. And now let's see whether our Titanic is. It sinks or not.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है, क्या ये स्विम करेगी या फिर नहीं?
Obviously करेगी स्वयं.
मुझे भी लगता है.
बोतल रैप कर दिए तो.
और इसी तरह हम लोग वो भी तो पहनते हैं ना. हाँ.
Guys, the Titanic is floating. Now let's see if the boat of us is able to float or not. Alright guys, now let's test this. 1, 2, 3, easy. Guys, you can see that this is perfectly floating in this with ease. Look at this. Guys, now let's see whether it is able to take my weight or not. 1, 2. Hey! Guys, you can see that this boat is able to support my weight in the most perfect way. 1, 2, 3. Look at this, guys. It doesn't in any.
वो एंजॉय करे ना करे, तो पीछे वाला एंजॉय बहुत ज्यादा कर रहा है.
और काफी क्रिएटिव.
बहुत अच्छी बनाई है. लाइक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उसको पैक किया गया है और काफी अच्छी लग रही है. मतलब डबल डबल ट्रिपल बनाया है उन्होंने. काफी.
You may feel like the boat is sinking slightly or going down in any way. Now give it to me. Guys, the real test will be when we go to the center of the lake. Come on, let's go to the astronaut. Hey, save me in case I sink. Guys, I have the boat, but the oil got left behind over there, right in those prickly bushes. So now I have these 2 engines. Engine, take the boat over there right now. Guys, look at how this boat looks, man. Hey, Titanic! Guys, see how it looks, man. It looks lovely from all angles. The only thing missing in this an engine, but you can see with what ease this boat is staying afloat. And see this, comfortable. One purpose behind making this was also that these plastic bottles don't spoil for many years, for almost 500 years. So I thought, why not make a boat out of them, and this boat is working perfectly. Guys, now let's see how many
Guys, recycling is a good thing.
Yes.
इससे चीजें वेस्ट नहीं होती हैं.
people this boat is able to support apart from me. Hey engine, take me there to the show. Hey, I'm coming back. Let's go! Turn around in that direction. Alright guys, so now let's see how many people this boat is able to carry apart from me. So first of all, Baba, go over there. Easy, easy. 1, 2, 3.
Capacity.
Yeah! Come forward, come forward. You want sing, come forward. So guys, you can see that it is able to carry 2 people pretty easily. Now you come over here in the center. 1, 2, in the center. Guys, it is able to carry the weight of 3 people with ease. Make space. Alright guys, now let's see whether it is able to take the weight of this heavy heavy set Govinda over here. Come inside and don't make a sound.
Okay.
1, 2.
Wow.
Guys, you can see that it has very easily manages to carry all of us. Come, let's take a round and come. Give me the oath, the oath. Come on, guys, this is our ride and we are on the way. Guys, just try to think about this.
कितना
काफी
मजा आ रहा
इंटरेस्टिंग
होगा।
है, कितना
हाँ,
मजा आ
बहुत
रहा है ना
ज़्यादा।
लिटरली। इतनी लाइट वेट है, चलाने में भी बहुत इजी रही होगी ना।
Yes.
Of us weighing even less than 10 kgs, taking mine, his and his, all of our combined weight so easily. It's an absolutely perfect condition and safe. Hey, turn it around. Hey, don't take it into those thorns. Hey, this engine is rubbish. I'll have to take the boat there, otherwise they will drive us into the thorns. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Guys, so see, this board of ours is successfully working, but still we are left over with lots of those bottles. How many do we have, Baba?
We have loads of them. We can make house of it. Floating house. I swear it will be huge fun.
Hey, boys! A house that floats on water.
Yes, we can make it.
Hey, bro!
Hey,
A house that floats on water.
floats on water.
Yes, we can make it with these bottles.
Can we build it?
Yeah. Hey, guys, how's the idea?
Top notch idea.
It will be fun. So,
It
guys,
will be
that's
fun.
fine. We'll be continuing to have an awesome time over here. But now we have a new idea. So, in the next video, we will make using same plastic bottles a house that floats on. Yay! Hey, what are you doing?
Okay, come on, man. Okay. Yes. Give me your hand. Come on. Okay, nice.
Hey, brother, take me with you. Where are you off to?
This was good.
Drive your car, man. Get back. Where are you going? Come back. Hey, man, get back to me.
Guys, this is so amazing.
Yeah.
Like, इतना अच्छा था, बहुत ही क्रिएटिव था और
Yes.
एक बहुत ही मजे का आइडिया था यार।
Yes.
मतलब उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह उसको पैक किया और उसमें फोर पीपल इजीली आ गए थे।
यस और जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आने वाली है वो है, उन्होंने कहा कि वो इन्हीं बॉटल से एक हाउस बनाएंगे जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा कि एक घर के अंदर, लाइक एक बॉटल के घर के अंदर वो किस तरह रहेंगे और क्या वो फ्लोट कर पाएगा या नहीं, और देखते हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। सो गाइज, आई होप आप लोग की वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी कि मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी है, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग थी। एक एक्सपेरिमेंट्स देखने में तो और मज़ा आता है, बिकॉज जो चीज़ हम नहीं कर सकते एटलीस्ट हम वो देख तो सकते हैं कि वो कैसा एक्सपेरिमेंट देती है एक्चुअली।
Exactly.
और रिसाइकलिंग करना इज़ रियली गुड थिंग, इससे वेस्ट नहीं होता है कुछ भी। और आई होप आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगेगा, आप लोग भी रिसाइकल करिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को। और या आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, सो डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड ऑल्सो
Don't forget to press the bell icon.
So yeah, bye guys, see you next video.
Bye bye.